Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you guys the adventure na napuntahan ko kahapon. So napunta ako dito sa the biggest Buddha sa Ngongping. So from Tonchong, nag-MTR lang ako and nag-bus. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa entrance, sariling sikap. I don't have my tripod with me, so kanya-kanyang paraan lang. So, sariling sikap lang tayo. So, mas mabuti na yung ikaw mag-picture. So, nandito tayo sa entrance, guys. Sa entrance. So, we're here at the entrance. So, the tourists there is not that much. So, I'm so lucky. It's not so crowded. And it's just, the weather is just right. Not too hot, not too cold. But, as you can see, some people wearing a jacket to protect their skin from the heat of the sun. So yeah, like the skin. So we took 268 steps, stone steps going up there. So there I think every 15 steps, and then you can rest for a little while and then continue to go up. So while enjoying the scenery, you can take pictures in a while, then rest for a while, and then you go up until at the very end. So we're almost there, finally. So I'm with my kababayan. Nagkita lang kami dun sa baba, and tamad daw yung mga kasama niya pumunta pa sa taas. So, she decided to go with me. So, soloista lang ako nag-travel dyan. Kaya, okay naman. Kahit pa paano. Pero wala lang magkuha ng picture. Pero, okay lang. So, yun. Kaya minsan, sariling sikap na lang talaga. So, yun guys. Akyat na akyat lang. So, this is my first time going here. And, yeah. Ako lang mag-isa, and then okay lang naman. Ang mga scenery dito ang gaganda guys, kasi nature na Kaya nga ito nga pala guys, yung kuha ni ate sa akin. Ay naku po, pero okay na lang. Salamat din sa shoutout sa iyo, Teka. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo, hindi man tayo nakapag-add sa Facebook button. Thank you, na-meet kita yun. So, kahit pa paano, nagka-chika-chika ng kaunti. Ayan. Thank you, ate. So, ayan lang. Ito lang yung share ko sa inyo, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.